Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And actually, guys, I'm gonna take a motorbike from town to Jamrock. So I'm just gonna share the experience with you guys on a motorbike. Jam Tours is on a motorbike heading to Jamrock family. So let's go. You know when you come in town, a lot of traffic. So I say today, let me take a motorbike, you know what I mean, to Jamrock. So I'm gonna share that experience with you guys. So, you know what I mean, let's do this, let's go. So it's actually 1 minute away. Motorbike is 1 minute away. It's like a Bolt bike. So in Kenya you can actually book a Bolt bike and the bike will pick you up and actually take you where you want to go. So I'm waiting for that bike to come. I think that's him down there, Monique. I think that's my ride there.
Right.
So let me go. Yeah. Let me go. So guys, I'm going on a motorbike. I'm heading to Jamrock on a motorbike. So let's go.
You said never let me go. You said never let me go. You said never let me go. You said never let me go. You said never let me go. You said you said never let me go. 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 You said never let me go.
wait. Medication you think on your own. Round there. You have a cut throat. Cut throat. And a cut throat. Yeah, fam. So we're there on a motorbike ride through Nairobi. Beat out the traffic.
You said never let me go. 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 You said You said never let me go. 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 You said never
Yeah, family. So we almost reached Jamrock. Yeah, so you know what I mean. It was a very experience, right? I really enjoyed. And when you come to Nairobi, take a border, and drive through the city.
Yeah, just my
Yeah. Cool ride. Cool breeze. It's a ride. We have the cool breeze in Jamaica going around Fern Gully. My family. So this is it, family. That is it. This is Kenya for you. Yeah, make sure when you come, link up with Jam Tours. Tour. Yeah, entry straight up there. Where you see the entry? Where that product inside. Straight up. Yeah, family, so we just reached a Jamrock, as you can see. Yeah, family, so we just reached there with One Love with our Jamrock. It was a nice experience, bike ride coming from the town.
Yeah?
That's what I say.
That's the border of it.
Yeah, border.
Go on in there.
Yeah, tell them. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good place.
It's a good place.
Fantastic.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
And Sunday we have like the buffet style on Sunday.
Okay.
So we kind of switch up the menu.
Okay.
With some other Jamaican food.
Yeah.
So you can come out on Sunday.
Okay.
Come get some more Jamaican food. A different type of Jamaican food.
Oh, very good. Which day do you have dancing and music?
I think it's on the karaoke is on a Ricardo. Karaoke.
Karaoke on a Wednesday.
Wednesday, yeah.
Oh, Wednesday?
Yeah.
I'll be there.
Yeah, man.
Next Wednesday.
Yeah, man. Thanks for watching and big up, man.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
You have a blog?
Yeah, we have a YouTube channel called Jam Tours Africa. We're actually showcasing helping people to set up and
In this
relocate
part of the world.
in Kenya. Yeah.
I will look out for that.
Yeah, man. Just check it out. Go on YouTube, type Jam Tours Africa. You can watch the past videos. And you know, if you need help with any information like immigration, you need to know like if you want to invest in somewhere you don't know the city, you don't know where, you can actually take people around and show them how to actually
I was here
manipulate.
roughly a year last year. Not last year, the year before. Mombasa.
Yeah. Okay.
But I've been here a few times. Tanzania, Uganda, Pakistan.
Yeah. See, okay, great man, great. Enjoy the food. Just big up.
All right.
You know what I mean?
Bless up.
Yeah.
Bless up, bless up.
All right. Yeah, family. So as you can see, people are tapping and are rapping because Jam shows are spread the word. So one love, God bless. I'm out.